My dog is about to chase his laser. Watch. Look at it. Look at it. Ah! This dog is ignorant. What is he doing? Oh no. Yeah.
I'm chasing the laser.
Can't get past it. Oh, where'd it go? Ah! He sees it. He knows
We
he wants
interrupt this broadcast for a breaking announcement.
Look at that big zit.
I have vaginal leakage.
Look,
That was
look.
hot.
Oh, yeah.
I enjoyed that teabagging.
Okay, we're done.
Let's watch it.
Look at my toes. They're so sexy. Oh my god, what is that? A birthmark? Oh no.
I'm trying to pop it.